Hi there. Branches help you to compose the right logic for your form, and a branch ending determines how respondents can proceed once they've completed that branch. For this explanation, we prepared several branches. Now let's set up a different branch ending for each of them. For the first branch, we just want it to proceed with the next available step in your form. That's the default branch ending. For the second branch, you want to jump to a specific point in your form. To set that up, you click the end bubble at the bottom of your branch. Over there, you can then select Jump to a specific point, and then select the cluster that you want to jump to. But please be aware that you can only jump to upcoming clusters that also have a name. For the third branch, you want to jump to the end of the form so the respondent can submit it. To do so, open the branch ending menu and then select Jump to End. Now your respondent can submit the form and gets the default closing message or redirect that you have configured. The fourth branch ending is to end the form with a custom closing message. You open the branch ending menu again and now select End with Closing Message. Now you can enter the content for this ending. This way the respondent can submit the form and then get a specific closing message that you have set for this particular branch. And that's how you change the branch endings in your forms in Tripetto. Also check out our other videos for more tips and tricks. And don't forget to subscribe to our Tripetto channel. Thanks, and goodbye.